Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Kids Happiness. So today I'm going to show you a hack. I'm just going to try a hack, will it work or not. And this hack is about how to clean a whiteboard. Here I'm using Colgate Total Protection. So we should not use other paste, we should only use a Colgate Total. Another paste will not work, so let's try it out. We need a Colgate Total and also a plain cotton towel. So let's try it out. Look at my whiteboard, it's really messy. Let's try it. So first of all, you have to take the toothpaste and just put a bit of dirt everywhere like this. And now I'm going to spread it with this cloth. And if you feel the dryness, you just need to moisten your cloth a little bit, and you have to squeeze out the excess amount of water. First, let me spread it out, everything. Let me moisten my cloth a little bit. Okay, so here I have moistened my cloth a little bit. Now I'm going to test it out. It's really working. It's really working. Look at the difference over here and here. Look at the difference. It's this hack is really working. Oh my god. So my sister want to try this out, so she's going to try it out. So she needs this side to try. that's it. So now we need to keep this for 5 to 10 minutes because you may feel some sticky on this because of the toothpaste, because it dries so fast and becomes so rough. So let's leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So if many scratches and marks are there, you need to try one more time with the paste. So the marks will again reduce. So now look at mine. I'll just focus it. Now when you focus, look at the marks over here. Yep. These marks and all are still there. So we need to try it once again with the toothpaste. Just focus it some more. That's the maximum, okay. I'll put the paste on it. Now I'll just spread it to here and to here and just do it. Now look at carefully. Now it's really clean. Hi friends, so it has been 5 minutes and now I'm using a tissue. You can even use a cloth, not the used cloth, another cloth you have to take. Just dip in water. I'm using a tissue and I'm dipping it in the water. Have to squeeze out the excess water out. And I'm just going to wipe it out. So that's all for this video. Now I just cleaned it up and now it's really shiny and it's ready for the use. That's all for this video. If you like this video, do give me a like, and if it became so useful, do comment below. If you want them to share to your friends or relatives or cousins, you can share it, and also subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon. Bye bye, see you in the next video.